Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Panya.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, and what's your job?
I'm a student.
And where do you study general education?
I study general education at Fonsanto Primary School.
Oh, okay. And what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 4.
Okay. So, what subject do you like studying?
I like studying Khmer and English.
Oh, where do you study English?
I study English at school educational training for home in short.
Okay, and what's your teacher's name?
My teacher name Jana.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
And what's your nationality?
I'm Cambodian.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Seoul, Philip, Angkor, Khmer, Mesang District, Province.
Okay, good. And what do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a
Solar.
solar.
Okay, very good. Goodbye.
Bye.